Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in the previous videos, we discussed about the important terms, the fundamental definitions in environmental engineering. That is water supply engineering. But in this video, we are just discussing about the fundamental terms in wastewater supply engineering. Okay? So coming to the first one, we have refuse. That is waste material, solid plus liquid plus semi-solid. There is garbage, dry refuse. Example, the vegetable or grass. That is refuse. Whatever the waste material is there, that is, it may be solid or liquid or semi-solid in nature, we are calling it as refuse. Rubbish is something that is dry waste from offices, residences. It is combustible. Example, paper. Paper is dry, right? So whatever the dry waste is there, we are calling as rubbish. Refuse and rubbish. Next we have sewage. A liquid waste of domestic or industrial origin consists of 99.9% of water. Domestic and industrial sewage are collectively called sanitary sewage. Okay, we are taking both domestic and industrial one as a combination and calling it as a sanitary sewage. It is mostly 99.9% of liquid in nature. Next, we have sewage. Sewage is nothing but the wastewater from bathrooms, wash basins and kitchen. Okay, it is purely the wastewater that is from the bathrooms, wash basins and kitchen. Next, stormwater. Stormwater is because of the rain and that is runoff. Whatever the excess water that is flowing on the surface, we are calling it as runoff. Next, sewer. Sewer is nothing but the pipe carrying sewage. Okay, sewage is something that is flowing within the sewer. And whatever that is carrying the sewage, we call it as sewer. That is a pipe. Next, sewerage. The process of collection plus conveyance of sewage. Okay, whatever the process is there that is collecting the sewage, also the treatment or conveyance of the sewage is there. That process we are calling as sewerage. Okay, remember these terms. It is very important topic for the competitive exams as I have personally saw some questions from this video. Next, coming to system of sewage, collection and disposal. Okay, dry or conservancy system, water carriage system. In this system, the night soil, the human excreta, wastewater from kitchens is collected in dry form and disposed at disposal site through trucks. Okay, or it is totally dry in nature. And we do have water carriage system. In this method, the water closets provided with flushing arrangements. The fecal matter, that is human excreta, is flushed with sufficient quantity of water. The water is used as a medium of conveyance of sewage through sewers. Presently we are having water carriage system, as the dry system is a very old method. We are going with this method. Even this is very harmful for human health. It can cause many diseases to human health, so we are going with this method. Next, we have system of sewerage, that is separate sewerage, combined sewerage, partially separate. Okay, this is system of sewage collection and disposal, but this is system of sewerage. I told you sewerage is nothing but the process of collection and conveyance of the sewage. Okay, the first one is separate sewerage. In this system, there are separate set of sewers, that is sanitary sewage, storm water are collected, conveyed and disposed separately. So here we are just taking the sanitary one separately, whereas the sanitary sewage is nothing but the combination of industrial and domestic sewage. Okay, so that combination is taken in one pipe and the storm water is taken as another one. Generally this is used where the storm water or the runoff is more. Coming to suitability, hilly areas with steep slopes, areas with uneven rainfall in the year. Okay, so in that areas this one is suitable. Next, coming to the combined system, both sanitary sewage and storm water drainage are collected into same conduit. Okay, conduit is nothing but the pipe that is carrying the sewage. In this, both are collected as a single one. Suitability is the areas with narrow streets, and also when the Rainfall is evenly distributed throughout the year. We have partially separated sewer, that is, designed for carrying the sewage discharge, a part of full storm water from the roofs. Okay, that is when the stormwater rainfall is more, we are just mixing some of the stormwater with this, or sometimes it is uh, vice versa. So in that cases we are calling it as partially separate sewers. Coming to the suitability, areas where occasionally heavy rains occur. So in that cases we are going with the partially separate sewers. Quantity of sanitary sewage. Dry weather flow is the another name of sanitary sewage. Dry weather flow. It is an average discharge of sanitary sewage that flows in sewer during the dry period. Okay, whenever the storm water content is almost negligible, at that condition we are just considering the average discharge of this sanitary sewage, that is the combination of both domestic and industrial sewage. Generally 1 by 20 to 1 by 25th of maximum flow. Okay, this sewage is flowing, this is a sewage flow chart. Okay, and sewage flow water it is described by this diagram. This is the maximum flow. So the dry weather flow is 1 by 20 to 1 by 25th of this maximum flow. Variability of flow of sewage. We also discussed about this water supply engineering, that is fresh water, in this previous video, as that is a very important topic. Please go and watch that video, as that is the very important part which can be asked for most of the competitive exams. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Maximum daily flow is 2 times of the average daily flow. So we are taking the average of this. Okay, so whatever the average is there, multiplied by 2 will give us the maximum daily flow. Coming to the maximum hourly flow, it is 1.5 times of this maximum daily flow and 3 times of average daily flow. Okay, what is this? This maximum daily flow is nothing but 2 times of average daily flow, right? So 2 multiplied by 1.5, 3 times of average daily flow. And coming to the minimum flow, the minimum daily flow is 2/3 of average daily flow. Minimum is 2/3. The minimum hourly is half of the minimum daily flow, and half multiplied by 2/3, that is 1/3 of average daily flow. Okay, this is the maximum daily and maximum hourly flow, and this is the maximum daily, minimum daily and minimum hourly flow. We are just giving the relationships between this. Sewers must be checked for minimum velocities at their minimum hourly flow. So that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription would greatly help me. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.